Good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here in Discover Barcelona. We have the opportunity to have Priyadarshi with us. Good morning, Priyadarshi.
Yeah, good morning, Christoph. It has been a great discover, I must say. A lot of new announcements, especially on 3-power side.
We spent a really good year on 3-power. It was amazing for all of us.
Oh, it was wonderful. Just to give you a sense, within a year, we grew our all-flash business by 600%.
We have done a really great announcement on Discover. Do you have just a quick update on that?
This has been a phenomenal discover, especially for 3-power. I think I would start with the 3-power file persona. First time ever that we are actually supporting block, file and object access on a 3-power controller without using any external appliance. We call it converged. It truly is converged. There is no silo of block or file at the back end. It's all one capacity, one everything, and then you're just using block or file access, or block and file and object together from the front end. So that has been a phenomenal announcement. What we have done is we have refreshed our entire 3-power StoreServ 7000 line. We call it 7000C now. We have 7200 that has become 7200C, and that model supports file, block and object, and similarly 7400, 7450, all of them have become 7400C and 7450C.
Okay, and so we just add more power in the controller to have the possibility to do it.
That's correct. And interestingly, we also launched a new 3-power model.
Oh, okay. Well, which is the number?
3-power StoreServ 7440C.
40C. So,
right.
Well, what is the main thing for that one?
So, 7440C is a converged flash array. So, if you look at all flash arrays in the market today, they are only solving the all-flash use case problem. But you have to wonder what happens to data that is there on an all-flash array 2 years later. That data gets old, gets stale, very few IOPS are happening on that data, but that data is still consuming expensive flash capacity.
Sure.
Okay. So what we, based literally on customer demand, what we did is we took our all-flash 7450 and expanded and enhanced that to support spinning media or HDDs on that, so that data that ages can be put on spinning media. You free up more flash capacity, and then you can accelerate more applications.
More disk, and you can add spinning drive with I can say low cost integration.
That's right.
Feedback from the customer who you see the application, it's amazing how it's working.
That's
with
right.
the adding of that, it's really powerful.
It has been received very well. I think part of the reason it has been received very well is our capability to do selective inline duplication, i.e. on the same array, you can choose to do duplication for some volumes, but then also have a few other volumes where you don't need to go on to do duplication, all within one array, which again is a really good differentiator for us, again based on customer feedback, because there are certain workloads that you know are not going to dedupe that well. Why put them under dedupe?
Yeah, we know if it's not working with efficiency, you can choose.
There you go. You can still use zero detect and provisioning for those workloads. For workloads such as VDI or virtualized workloads, typically dedupe works really well. Put them under dedupe, right? All in the same array. So that has been received very well by our customers. 7440C, to come back to that, new model. Some of us call it the God box. It's a system that can do it all. Okay, literally, block, file, and object. So all protocols supported. It's an all-flash array that happens to support spinning media. It scales up to 960 drops.
960.
Okay, with 3.5 petabyte usable capacity. Okay, so it brings the high-end scalability. And it's a 4-controller system, so it brings the high-end resiliency at a mid-range price point.
Wow. I think it's amazing to have this product.
It's a system that can do it all.
Yeah, cool. And I just saw also that we redesigned the interface of the administration and how we can do it. So
that is correct. We have moved on to what we call SSMC, stands for StoreServ Management Console. It's a very new design. Really takes our 3-bar GUI to a complete whole new level, right? Customers, that product will be available to customers later in this month. And of course, that is a management product that will be available to every customer, not licensed.
No, for free.
It is for free,
wow.
And customers are welcome to just start using that over there. So yeah, it is from a workflow standpoint, we have invested really a lot of effort into making it easier, fewer clicks to do jobs, and a very nice dashboard which gives you a summary.
Like one view, really, I can say an easy way to see it.
You are absolutely right. It's interesting, actually. The design of SSMC and OneView are common. They use common framework. If you're looking at a OneView or SSMC screen, you might not be able to tell the difference. Actually, it's that common.
So the customer will love that.
Yeah,
and it's for free, so
it is. And OneView is really for a little bit of higher level management. It manages storage, including 3-bar, servers, and networking. So great tool. And then if you want to drill down into one piece such as 3-bar StoreServ, you just go switch to SSMC and drill down, and it integrates historical performance reporting right into SSMC. So what we had system reporter is now integrated into SSMC.
What is your feeling about the vision of what will happen about, for example, the disk drive? We know that now we have more and more SSD drive, probably we have more capacity, but what is your feeling about this market and how the customer will go there? Because now we know that they have to.
Yes, indeed, and this is something that we are actually driving in the industry. We are really driving flash forward in the industry. And as a proof point to that, a few quarters back, we actually shipped more in SSD capacity than we ship in 15K RPM capacity. We actually ship more, so we literally are driving this change. Going forward, we actually are looking at obviously next generation of flash technology, so our customers can continue to expect bigger, faster, cheaper SSDs from 3-bar. Also something around vision that you told. Gartner very recently came up with their magic quadrant for general purpose storage array, and guess which company was right most, which is the completeness of vision, was best on completeness of vision. It was HP storage, right? So Gartner realizes our vision, and they actually gave us kudos for having the best vision among all players over there. Going forward, we are also actually, there are a number of customers who have been coming to us and with their challenge of they are on an old infrastructure and they want to move on to a modern 3-bar infrastructure. And to help those customers, we have been investing really strongly into technologies like online import. So we did VNX to 3-bar online import in June. Now we support VMAX to 3-bar online import.
So the EMCIL moving to 3-bar easily.
That's right.
That's a big point for our reseller and customer.
We are seeing cases and examples where customers are directly going from a traditional high-end directly to 3-bar flash. With
really good availability, performances, scalability.
Tier 1 availability, really, really good price, right? And performance-wise, there is just no compare, right? 10x better performance, more or less. If you're getting 7 to 8 milliseconds response time on your traditional high-end, you're now talking about sub-millisecond response time on all flash. So the use case, the value is so crystal clear that there are customers who are saying, yes, it's time to refresh, and I'm not going to buy a traditional array now. I can get a 3-bar all flash.
Yeah, I can imagine that. So I'm really happy to have this discussion with you, Priyadarshi, and I have to tell you that I will be proud to be also your guest in Discover next year. And for our French customer and worldwide customer, I'm really proud of that. And thank you so much.
Christophe, it was a pleasure talking to you.
Thank you. Bye.